Okay, Marcello, we got your computer done, and it was pretty bad. The resistor right there was just exploded. So we got you a new one of them. You cleaned up the board real good there, and all three capacitors. That teal green you see there, that's not a corrosion. That's a coating that's UV light hardened. So it's kind of not the original color, but it's really good, solid covering for the repair work we did underneath that. Anyway, got your three new capacitors, and a whole bunch of damage was repaired underneath where the capacitors were leaking and ate all these little traces. You can see these traces were good, but when they got down under here, they were pretty bad, and there was a lot of repair there. There was a lot of repair there. And there was some repair there. And that blown up resistor there was really bad. So that's it. Board's cleaned up. Looks pretty good. Bunch of traces need to be fixed. And let's give her a little bench test and see how she does. Power, check engine light, fuel pump, 5-volt regulator. Okay, we got our 5-volt regulator. Check engine light comes on like it should. Fuel pump comes on for 1 second when you turn the key on. Perfect. I'll put it in code pulling mode here. It's going to freak out for a minute, and then it's going to start blinking 2-digit trouble codes on that check engine light. There's the freak out. There comes the codes. Doesn't matter what the codes are, because this thing's on the bench. There's going to be all kinds of codes for not having the rest of the car here. So I don't care about what codes they are. I just care that the computer is capable of producing them. Perfect. Looks good. I think this is going to be a great repair.